Hello there. I just working with you about your on your project. So here is your HTML project. I I just open here. Uh, Based on this project, I just transform this to the React Native or Next.js project. Here is the Next.js project for you. Here's all the files and folders. I'm not going to explain you all of these. So what I'm going to do, a demonstrate of this project. So I make the project live for you now. So here is my servers. Here I put the project name Artplay World. I go into there, and here is my temporary domain for your project, and I go to the domain. Here is our project. It's loading so fast. Maybe something you may not like and we should change, like the button design over here. So but most of the things are working as you want, and some of the things that was not working on your project is now working on this project. So in here you can resize the window. I also include a timeline for you that you can check the timeline situation and play back, forward and backward using this. So let me input some product sorry let me input some photos for you, or make a project for you. Okay, so what we can do, we can select some photo, video and other things like this one and that one. I think it's look great. So when I drag and drop, I just leave it here and the project is ready to work. Okay, now the effect, I'm going through the effect and the operations over the left sidebar, then the right sidebar. Okay, so first the effect is here and every single effect is working now. I just add some icons for you. You have to check. If you don't like any icons, we can change this as well. So here is the can be, here is the count, here is the bounce effect, here is the rotation effect, slide in, wave, drag, Odaya and hard. It's look like something beating hard. So I just like this, I leave it for it. Okay, so after using this effect and everything, we can test it, but after using this effect I'll just play the footage over here. Okay, you can see the timeline is working so good, and if you like you can stuff in here and also work with the timeline right now. Okay, so where you are and where you want to go, and I make sure that your video is working. Okay, so I just, when I put it here and play again, you can check.
Do you ever feel like you're falling behind the most important?
So video is playing. The second thing I'm doing here, the transition, and it's also working between the clips. So I fade in, crossfade, scale up, slide left, slide right, slide up, slide down, rotate, flip. I just do everything it was in your project. Okay, in here transition, but I use some icons with these. So check this now, this one. Okay, so I use a flip over here. So when I play this video, you can see, okay, it's flipping when the transition is flipping now. Okay, now it's working so good.
Do you ever feel like you're falling behind the most important?
Even video has a volume and I can turn it off. So what I can do, I play again and check this out. Now this video doesn't have any sound right now, so it's doing good. You can do I improve the button. I just work with these 3 buttons right now, 1 2 3, add new project, stop, play and push. So here I keep a option for pause the video clips. Okay, so here is paused right now, and you can start again from here, and if you like you can do stop and it will go to the beginning and start from the beginning right now. Okay, the overlay things I didn't work with that because I need some selection from you, the what kinds of overlay do you want for your project. Whenever you decide like snowflakes, raindrops, or whatever you want, if you can give me the list, I will replace them with inside this preview screen and render them. I add some filters like these, you can check. Okay, retro, I love it so very much. Let's play it out. So the filter is working as well with the transition and the effect. Okay, so let me go to the Nori. Okay, none. So every single thing in here working for format, effect, transition, and filters. Okay, now it's about the stickers. So I make sticker more workable for you. So now you can select every single sticker and work with their size, opacities. Okay, and like this one, if you select, you can work it this opacity, and you can remove this like that way, and sizes are working so fine. So the sticker is now doing so good. It's also working fine. And the subtitle, I need some feedback from you about the subtitles now, but the watermark is working fine. So what I do here, I add something like, you can add a text like watermarked. Okay, and here is the font size, you can control, and you change the colors also. Okay, here. Okay, even if you click check mark this one, show, the watermark will be show. You can easily smoothly move around and add photos or logos for for branding or watermarking. I can use this one. Okay, nice. So here is my watermark. I can increase the size, increase the opacity, and with that, if I decrease the text sizes, it's look more standard right now. Okay, and I fix something in here. So what it is, in your previous version, whenever you have very tall screen, and I go down to here, and whenever I return to something like this screen, your watermark was lost. Okay, you can check in here, in your project you lost your watermark, and I make sure that it's working fine in here. Okay, and beside that, I add some I make the options workable for you, like the position should be static or dynamic. If I set dynamic, it will be working around the video all the time. Okay, and if you select full, it will work for the full videos. If you select start, it will work for the start only. I think you know better than me, because your requirement was that. And you can turn on the shadow for the watermark, right? So here is the watermark section, and it's working so good for now. You can also change the fonts too. Nice. So I also need feedback about the credits. Okay, and now I like to go to the right side bar. In here, play, pause, and stop button was working fine. So what I do here is the dice is working good. Now the dice, whenever it's changed, the duration is working so good. And here is 6 second for S video S clips, and 6 times 4 is equal to 24. It's working fine, the calculation, and you can see the duration over here is working good. And you can easily change the project name. So new project, easily you can collapse it, open it, and you can add more projects over here. So what I do is here is I go to the project section a little bit later. So, and here is another thing we add here. If you click on the plus sign, a new project is added over here as it was. And whenever you like to create multiple projects, so just put some name here, titles using single line. Every line will be create a separate title or separate product, like product, project 2, project 3, project 4. I make it a little bit controllable by using this button. So whenever I type it down or copy paste the project name, I click in here, and you can see the project is created like this: 2, 3, and 4. As well, you can change the name too and close them too. So there is the project, and the selected project will be played to the preview screen. Okay, so everything is under your control now. So I put something on here that you can check on. Okay, I just put that video for you, like, okay, so it's 3 seconds. Now I come to the project screen. What it can do, it can take the narration, take the background music, add or remove the clips. So it's a very much same as your version was there, but you can do more control over here. So you can dynamically customly change the every single clips frame or timeline. Like I can make it 2 seconds, I can make it 3 seconds, and I can make it 5 seconds. Whenever I done, check this: 2 plus 5 equal to 10. Everywhere you got the 10-second video clips. So it's also working so very much good. And there is another thing, you can apply separate, when I select that, is here, there is no effect and even no transition. So you can use separate transition and effect for every single project, and the watermark as well. Okay, so the in watermark section you can use it as well, like new mark is showing here. I can add some logo, I can use that. Okay, so if you have any feedback from you that we can improve in here, I'll try to do this for you. So now those things are working so very perfectly. Now if I play this video, it's going to play very well over there, right? So there is no clips, we can add clips over here, and the music and other things also. And I check the music is also working. Let me show you from the haze.
From the heart of Bangladesh.
Okay, there is the narration, and I need a background video. Let me give it to your project. Sometime I didn't found this. Okay, it's really problem. I found it. Here is the background video. So whenever I play this,
from the heart of Bangladesh,
so the sound and the narration music is playing together.
From the heart of Bangladesh, a global tech force is emerging. We are TechSoul, building powerful SaaS and AI applications.
So it's working good. If you like, we can work with the volume control for those clips also as well, and the videos also have some volume controls over here. So you can also use the default volume control from the browser also. I include that there. So it's the thing what we have done right now, and it's working so very good. And I'm adding the video link for you that you can check these online yourself and give me feedback how it should be. And especially I need your feedback about the subtitle, how the subtitle should be work, and I'm not pretty sure about I'm a little bit doubt on that, how should I work with that, and the credit things, what will happen with the credit. It will be so very much help if you give me the feedback what it should be and how I can work on it. So whenever you give me the feedback, I'm done with that, then we'll go for the rendering. I didn't work for the rendering yet, but rest of the thing is working. Even those button are not working. So I have a few ideas about this, but I cannot work yet with that. Like this one will make a full screen for the preview screen. This will search the stock asset from the free pick or something like that. And I'm not sure about those things. Please let me know how we can improve them, and if anything need to be changes, please let me know. Here is the progress from my side till now. So I'll let you know further update, and I'll waiting for your feedback. Thank you very much.